Good afternoon again. Oh, crap. Come on, camera. That truck that just went by that way. Did he turn or did he go straight? He went that way. This truck right here. If I can get this thing to work. Come on. Darn it. He went down the same direction that the others did, the blades. But he turned and came back around and went this way. It's a big tank of sulfuric acid. Don't know if that has anything to do with anything either. Just thought I would record that too, but I didn't get a chance to get it. Stupid. Forever to load. Alright, thanks. Yeah, boss.